What is up? Welcome back to Market Psychology 101, where we look for value in the markets when there's fear and are cautious when there's greed. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at SUI, SUI. It is the number 14 overall crypto with a market cap of around 13 billion, looking at some current technical analysis and price predictions. So overall, SUI, it is bullish. It is hanging above these moving averages. We have the gold 50, the light blue 100 and the dark blue 200. So overall, still bullish. If it got to the 200, it'd be at around $3.32. If we take a look at the weekly, we can see that it is also, with the Heikin-Ashi candle, staying above the 50-week moving average. So if we did get bearish anytime and you really like SUI, around that $3 area, the low $3, maybe up to 310 to be a good area. That 20-week moving average is also showing good support as well. Taking a look at a couple of indicators, let's take a look at the MACD and the stochastic RSI, and we can see that as far as the stochastic is concerned, it is possibly curling up to the upside, but the MACD is still negative, and we want to wait for confirmation that the MACD is turning around there as well. Now, you saw the Fibonacci retracement that I drew here overall, and SUI, it almost hit that 1618 retracement or Fibonacci target at 564, got to a high at around 535. Now, let's zoom in on the daily and draw a fib from the recent high to low. And so we'll go to our Fibonacci retracement tool, which is also the fibs. This is our golden ratio indicator, as I like to call it. And let's draw this here. And the 1618 target from this micro fib would even be higher at around 758. So if all of a sudden SUI starts doing very well, it could really take off. Now, something to remember is that this crypto, it is already, I'm just going to go from the average bottoming area here. So let's go from 82 cents. This thing already pumped up quite a decent amount of around, let's do that again here. Let's go from the low. Why not? This thing already came up around 800%. So, if a crypto's already pumped that much, how much more could it pump? I do think it's important to temper expectations. And if you were lucky enough to buy down at those lows, taking profits up in these areas aren't a bad thing.